It's not every day that you'll have the opportunity to buy in this beautiful riverside precinct of Chelmer. Behind this very private facade is a large family home, ready for a new beginning. High and dry on 607 square metres, it's spacious and bursting with potential. Customised to your family needs, or renovate and reap the rewards. Currently, with living on the lower level, including master bedroom and ensuite, this is perfect for the extended family. Chelmer is just 8 kilometres to the city, an easy commute by rail, offers the convenience of a major shopping centre at Indooroopilly, enjoys a choice of cafes and fine restaurants, surrounded by beautiful river walks and parks. Living here just makes sense. I'm Karen Simons and I'd love to help you make this place your place.